me. Yeah. Sorry I didn't call sooner. Yeah, I guess I was. Anyway, I'm coming home now. Oh, I didn't get that thing you asked me to. Okay. Okay, I will. I love you too, Dad.
Heather, I need to speak with you. My name is Douglas Carter. I'm a detective.
A detective? Really? Well, nice talking to you.
Hold on. There's someone that wants to meet you. Just let me have an hour. No, half an hour of your time.
My daddy always told me not to talk to strangers.
This is very important. It's about your birth.
I'm not interested. Are you still following me? Do I have to scream?
Sorry. I'll wait here.
Resident Evil.
It all began as an ordinary day in September. An ordinary day in Raccoon City. A city controlled by Umbrella. No one dared to oppose them, and that lack of strength would ultimately lead to their destruction. I suppose they had to suffer the consequences of their actions, but there would be no forgiveness. If only they had had the courage to fight. It's true that once the wheels of justice begin to turn, nothing can stop them. Nothing. It was Raccoon City's last chance, and my last chance. My last escape.
This is Chopper Delta, preparing to drop off at area E95070.
What are they?
November 28th, daylight. The monsters have overtaken the city. Somehow, I'm still alive. Okay, we've got to get out of here.
What? What do you think you're talking about? I just lost my daughter out there! How dare you tell me to go back outside?
I'm sorry about your daughter, but there isn't gonna be any rescue. We have to get out of here!
No! I'm not going anywhere! I'd rather starve to death in here than be eaten by one of those undead monsters! Now leave me alone!
so I got the LevelHike HDMI cable for PS2 PS1, and I'm noticing in the reviews you guys are having a green screen issue like I did. You see the green tint, but there's a way to fix it. So as you can see here, so you're gonna want to go to system configuration, and then you're gonna want to go to component video out and switch it over to RGB. You should fix it right back up. So once I start up the game, shouldn't have an issue. See, hopefully this video helps someone out that had the same issue as I did, just tinkering with the settings.
Dungeon Magic.
Just purchased this. It's an HDMI converter cable for your PS1 or PS2. Bought off Amazon and arrived this morning. Got the bad boy connected to the original PS2 Slim. And just like the instruction says in it, when you hook it up the right way, it's supposed to be hooked up, it turns your, when you turn it on, for the first time, it turns your screen green, completely green. Then you follow the instructions as it says, and switch it to RGB, and it comes to color. Best purchase ever. Give it 10 out of 10.
I need to change these options. I guess disconnect and connect also works. So let me try that. I'm connecting again. Okay, it's connected again. I believe it should work now. But I don't understand why I need to do that. But that fixed that issue. But yeah, it's not something that I would expect.
Played street football before, back in the neighborhood? Well, we didn't play.
This device is working. It has instructions on how to correct the image on the PS2.
Nice! I finally got the Ryu Hadouken. Man, this cable was totally worth the money. Can't stop playing at all. I gotta see how Soul Calibur looks with it next.